Rumors are heating up about the new MacBook Air with an M4 chip, and it looks like we might not have to wait much longer. A private account on X recently shared identifiers linked to the upcoming 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Air models, both expected to feature Apple's powerful T8 132 M4 SoC. This aligns with clues Apple accidentally dropped back in December through macOS Sequoia 15.2 files, referencing unreleased Mac 16, 12-inch and Mac 16 13-inch models. Adding more fuel to the fire, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman noted that stocks of the current M3 MacBook Air are dwindling globally, giving a clear sign that Apple is preparing to unveil the next-generation model. This development aligns with Apple's typical strategy of reducing older model inventories before introducing new products. With similar stock trends observed for the iPad Air with the M2 chip, it's evident that Apple is gearing up for multiple product launches soon. The M4 MacBook Air will maintain the sleek aesthetics introduced with the M2 model. Users can expect the same 13.6-inch and 15.6-inch display options, dual USB-C or Thunderbolt 4 ports, and MagSafe charging. A potential new color might be introduced, but structural and dimensional changes are unlikely. But the real upgrade lies in the hardware. The M4 chip, first introduced with the iPad Pro and later seen in MacBook Pros, iMacs, and Mac Minis, will now power the MacBook Air. The baseline 13.6-inch model may feature a binned version of the M4 chip, offering 6 efficiency cores and 3 performance cores. Opting for the unbinned variant adds an extra performance core, likely at an additional cost of around $100. Storage options will start at 256 GB, with configurations available up to 2 TB. Base models will come with 16 GB of RAM, with optional upgrades to 24 GB or 32 GB. For those eyeing the 15.6-inch version, expect the full M4 chip with 4 performance and 6 efficiency cores, starting with 256 GB storage and 16 GB RAM. Unfortunately, the M4 Pro chip remains exclusive to other devices like the Mac Mini. Back in December, Apple Insider spotted a regulatory document hinting that the upcoming M4 MacBook Air might feature a front ultra-wide camera, possibly replacing the current 1080p FaceTime camera with a 12-megapixel center stage camera, similar to the M4 MacBook Pro. But that's not all. Apple is also expected to unveil the new M4 iPad Air, skipping the M3 chip, just like its Pro sibling along with an entry-level iPad.